Assalamualaikum and hi. Okay, hari ni saya nak masak nasi goreng. I'm going to be making fried rice. Okay, I already preheated the oil and going to add in the garlic. Kita akan masukkan bawang putih. Dan saya akan tukar setting biar dia mix. Tumis sekejap. We're going to saute it a bit. Okay, looks good. Okay, I like carrots that are a bit soft. Saya suka carrot tu dia tak crunchy sangat lah. So, saya akan masukkan carrot. I'm going to add in the carrots now. And I'm going to let that cook a bit. Okay, let's add in the chicken. Okay, biar ayam tu masak sekejap. I'm gonna let it stir a bit. Okay. Gonna add in the peas now. Okay. Now I'm gonna stop. And I'm gonna take this out. Kita akan keluarkan ni. Cara saya ada lain sikit. Okay. Panas sikit kalau you tanggalkan ni. Kita akan keluarkan ni masuk bekas lain sebentar. I'm gonna take this up, set it aside for a bit. Okay. Now the oil is heated up. Gonna add in the egg. 2 eggs. I'm gonna cook the eggs on high heat. Okay, after the eggs are cooked, we're gonna put in the rice. Lepas telur dah masak, kita nak masukkan nasi. Buka penutup dia, lagi senang. Take off the top and add your rice in. Okay, let's stir it. Okay, let this run for a bit and then we're gonna add in the ones that we fried just now. Lepas tu kita nak masukkan rencah yang tadi tu ya. And you can add in your seasoning, salt, pepper, chili flakes if you want, it's okay. After this, you can add everything in together. Okay, lepas ni you boleh masukkan rencah-rencah, garam, lada sula, apa-apa seasoning lagi nak tambah boleh. Okay, gonna add in this. And I'm going to also add in my salt and secukup rasa and pepper, white pepper, how much you like it. The kids love a lot of it. Okay, then turn it on and just let it stir everything until it's all done. Okay, I'm using the fast setting here. Yeah, I'm using the highest heat setting here to get the wok hei. Okay, it's smoky because it's really hot. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook all the way through. Okay, my Chinese fried rice is almost done. Nasi goreng Cina saya dah nak masak dah. Siap. Nasi goreng dalam Fanlai.